Hello and welcome back to our channel. We're going to be looking at the different markets for our brand new WP range of advanced water and coolant pumps. Today I'm here with Jonathan and we'll go through where these pumps can be used and why. Welcome John, so let's start. What are these pumps designed for?
Thanks Daniela. They have a wide range of applications and are especially well suited to cutting-edge thermal management.
Why are these pumps ideal for modern thermal management systems?
Because they are seamlessly smart. Gone are the days of simple thermal management systems which switched on and off cooling. Now, closed-loop systems will vary pump speed to much more precisely control temperature. Our pumps are PWM-controlled to vary speed responsively to your control system. This allows system temperatures to be controlled within tighter ranges than ever before.
Battery thermal management of static installations is a huge and growing market. Why do batteries need thermal management?
Well, batteries are increasingly used for grid smoothing or backup for power cuts. These duties can require rapid charge or discharge cycles, both of which will generate a lot of heat. Thermal management isn't just about cooling. A battery system will also need to be at an optimum temperature to be ready for either a charge or discharge cycle, and this may require warming, especially in winter, to achieve the ideal temperature. Thermal management is maximizing battery life, ensuring safe operation and maximizing efficiency. Liquid cooling using pumped product is one of the best ways of ensuring effective thermal control. We can see therefore that thermal management of batteries is a complex operation requiring quick response and variable flows of thermal fluids. Our pumps, having fully variable speed control, are ideally suited to fast response to your control system, which is likely to be a PID controller looking at temperature of the batteries and their operating environment.
That's interesting. Are there other applications for the pumps within thermal management?
High-powered electric vehicle chargers, grid transformers, and of course data centers and computer systems, all of which are demanding more efficient and compact cooling solutions. These are all applications where thermal management is vital to ensure consistent, efficient operation.
What liquids can the pumps handle?
They are ideal for water and glycol-based coolants, but they are also able to pump many other fluids. And talk to us if you have an application and we can evaluate it.
Why should someone choose pumps from motion control products?
Because they're getting next generation performance, lightweight design, excellent efficiency, and a massive wide range of voltages, plus unmatched reliability. Whether you're in energy storage, EV infrastructure, industrial automation, technical infrastructure, our pumps are built to handle the future.
Do these pumps have any applications outside thermal management?
Yes, their compact size, efficient operation, and ability to control speed will find them many other applications.
Thank you, John, for this overview of our new range of advanced water and coolant pumps. If you're interested in these products, please use the contact information on the screen or in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay in the loop with all of our videos.